Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome back to the channel. If you remember, stopped about right here last week on Friday. Got that finished, got that pipe installed, got this box installed, got this running down all the way straight down that way because that crack is not straight. So that goes straight down there to that box. Got this going over the ramp over here, over to that box, and that was kind of sketchy, just kind of working on this ramp with the lift, but got her done, so that's nice and straight as well. And then another 3-point saddle back over this lighting pipe right here, which turned out better than the first one. As you can see, it is a lot less deep, so it's just barely right over it, so that turned out really nice. And then moving on from there, I did blow this up, which was awesome. So that made a really cool sound, made it sound like a bomb. Ran it over with the little gator, so that was super fun. Anyways, walking back over here, finished up this pipe over here that came out of the side of the home run box. So added this on here with my coworker. Working with my coworker all day, but got this installed into this smoke detector box for the elevator that's going to be here. Came back out, ran down to the next box, and then piping out there to the next box. And my phone could run out of storage at any time, so if that's why the video ends, then you know why, but I'm trying to make this kind of quick. So went into this box and then came back out. Had my coworker, who's only been bending pipe for like a week, had him bend this 3-point saddle. He's been bending most of the stuff anyways, the 90s and stuff, so getting him some experience. But this is his first 3-point saddle, which turned out really nicely over the 1-inch pipe right there. And then down here, turned 90 into this box, and this is where we just ended, going down to this next location down here, which is going to be right about here. So that's where we're going to be going tomorrow. And then down the other side, I'll show you there in a second. So the one box is going, where is it? There's a mark on the ceiling. It's going right here. So that pipe that we just started is coming down to this black mark, which we have to set an anchor for, and then that's going all the way down to the very end down there, and then eventually it'll be turning over this driving ramp, which we will not be getting to until we get the appropriate lift for that, so that we can work over that. So anyways, unless we do a ramp situation like that, there's a little wooden wedge down there, and if the lift can make it, we could do that, but it's just going to be a lot of extra work trying to move the ramp every time you want to get the thing level and stuff. But anyways, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the support. If you did check out the Corvette video from last night that I uploaded at midnight or 1 a.m. or whatever, make sure to check that out. I worked really hard on it, and it turned out pretty great, and I think it's really funny. You guys should check it out. So anyways, that should do it. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, working 10, so no work on Friday. So if you guys want a question and answer video on Friday, make sure to drop a question with the hashtag Q&A. I'll answer that in Friday's video, and it'll be fun. If not, some other type of video on Friday. So anyways, that'll do it, guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Check the description for anything else, and yeah, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Any comments or questions down below, I'd appreciate it. Peace out, guys.